Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to hack Shadowfi 2 for any iOS and Android device. First of all, you need to download the hack tool. Okay. After that you must connect your phone to your computer or Mac via USB cable, and after that you can start the hack tool. My phone is already connected and I will start the hack tool. The hack tool is loading. Okay. Now you must connect your phone to the hack tool, and for that press the connect button. Here my Galaxy S3 is connecting with the hack tool. Okay. The phone is connected. Now you can choose from these options: add coins, how many coins you want, add gems, also how many you want. After you choose from these options, you can press the start button. This is the final step, which will load all these resources into your phone. How I was saying, this hack tool is working on both iOS and Android devices. It's 100% safe, it's tested, it's working, and if you will follow the steps from the video you will have no problems. Okay, we're almost done. After the installation completes, you can unplug your phone and you can play the game with all these resources updated. And that's all. Thank you for watching, I hope you will enjoy. Bye.